Let's start with chapter number 7, functions in calci. In calci, functions always start with or begin with equal to sign. The first function they give over here is sum. Sum means total. To find out the total or sum, we use sum function. Here in calci, the first function is sum. In this sheet, the numbers are 10, 12, 25, 41, 89. If you want to find out the sum or total of this range, we have to use this sum sign, or the second thing is you use sum function. Means you have to just type is equal to sum and range of this number start from A4 to A8. To find the sum with sum, click over here. See, is equal to sum A4 to A8 and just press enter key. The sum is 177. Clear? The second method is just delete it and type is equal to sum, then give the range, that is from A4 to A8. Just close the round bracket and press enter key. In this way we can find out the sum of this range. Now student, the second one is absolute. Absolute functions remove the minus sign from a negative number and makes their rate positive. So over here the second function is absolute. Clear? Type is equal to, then type ABS, then in round bracket select the number, close round bracket. See, the negative number 13 is done into positive number 13 with the help of this absolute function. Now third one is exponent or exponential function. Over the exponential function returns the value of exponential function ex for the given number of x, where e is the approximately equal to 2.718281828. The syntax of this exp. Over here I again type is equal to exp, then in round bracket select the number, that is the number is in C3, C4 and close round bracket. So our answer is 2.718281828. Now the next one is factorial. The next function is factorial. Okay. In this sheet, if we want to find out the factorial function of the number 6, just type is equal to sign, that is function is always start with is equal to sign, then type FACT, that is the factorial, round bracket, select the number, round bracket close. Clear? The answer is 720. So the factorial 6, the answer of the factorial 6 is 720. Factorial 6 means the number 6 into number 5 into number 4 into number 3 into number 2 into number 1. The multiplication of all these 6 number is 720. Clear? The next function is natural logarithm. Here in our sheet the number is 8. Just type is equal to ln round bracket type E4 and close curly bracket and press enter key. So the natural log of the number 8 is 2.079. Now the next function is logarithm with base 10. Over here in our sheet, logarithm with base 10 for the number 6. Over here just type is equal to sign, then type log base 10 round bracket, type the address of the number 6, that is in F4, close curly bracket, and our answer is 0.77815. Now students, the next function is power. 10 to the power 3. In our sheet, the power is the number 10 is in G4 and raised to, that is 3 number, 10 raised to 3, that is in address or in cell G5. So type is equal to, then type power round bracket, then our 10 number is in G4, then semicolon, then number 3, that is raised to G5. Round bracket close and press enter key. See, the answer is 1000. 10 raised to 3 or 10 to the power 3. So the answer is 1000. In this way, we can find out the power of 10 raised to 3 with power function. The next one is product. Product means multiplication of number. Here I am taking the three numbers 10, 12, 23. To find out the product, we use the product function is equal to product round bracket start and select the three numbers and close the curly round bracket and press enter key. So the product of the number 12, 10 and 23, that is 10 into 12 into 23, the number is 2760. Now student, the next function is square root. Square root of the number, over here they give the value of 100. In our sheet, same as 100. To find the square root of 100, type is equal to and type the function sqrt. In round bracket, select the number, that is 100. In which cell? I4. Close round bracket and press enter key. So the square root of 100 is 10. Now student, the next one is integer. The integer function rounds the given number down to the nearest integer. If your number is, for example, like 15.3, and if you delete the decimal point, that is integer without decimal point, so for that we use integer function. See, in our sheet the number is 15.3. just type is equal to, then type int. For integer we use int function and select the address of that cell, that is J4, close round bracket and press enter key. So the 0.3, that is decimal place, will be deleted. Now after the integer, the next function is round. The function round the given number to specified places. Many times formula result in a number having lot many figures are in decimal places. For example, 12.6546. If you want to only 2 digit after the decimal point, in our sheet the number is 76. 6633. Over here I am taking the round function. Just type round, then in bracket our number is in which cell, that is in K4. Our number is 76.6633 and type semicolon and just type 2. Then press enter key. The last 2 digit, that is 33, will be deleted and round it value as 76.66. Now after the round function, the next function is truncate. The truncate function, that is trunc, takes two arguments. The first argument is the number and second argument is the number of digit to be cut down from the number from its fractional part. See, in our sheet the number is 1.239. So if you want to delete the number line, so for that we use trunc function. Over here is equal to type trunc, trunc, then select L4 and type semicolon and type the number 2 and press enter key. See, the 9B lost and our number is display on the screen is 1.23 with truncate. Now the next function based on the statistical calculation that you learn in mathematics for standard 10th textbook. The statistical functions like average, mean, median, mode, we can find out this all the functions through calc. So the first function is average. In our sheet the three numbers 15, 23 and 12. To find out the average number of these three numbers, just type is equal to and type function name average, average, type average, then select the numbers, round bracket close, then you can see that the average of these three number is 16.666. Clear? Now same way the next statistical function is mean. So to find out the range, that is the range of the number is 42, 32, 35. To find out the mean of this series, just type is equal to geo mean, type geo mean function, select the range, close curly bracket and enter the key, press enter the key, you get the mean 36.098. Now mode after mean the next function is median. So to find out the median of the range 14, 12, 23, just over here just type is equal to median and select the range and close curly bracket. The median, that is the middle value, is 14. Now after the median the next function is, or the next statistical function is mode. Mode means repeating value in your series. Those values occurred frequently in your series, that is known as mode. So to find out the mode function of the given sheet of this series, just type is equal to mode, then round bracket, select the range, close round bracket. See, the 12 number repeating 2 times, so the Mode of the series is 12. Now, the next statistical function is count A. Count A means to count how many numbers in your series or in your range. So for that, type the function count A, round bracket, select the range, close round bracket. See, the number in this series are 3, so the answer is 3. Now the next statistical function is largest value. To find out the largest value in your series, that is not a large value, that is maximum, not a maximum number. The large value or function returns the kth largest numeric value found in the given set of value x. So in our sheet, the three numbers are 23, 52, 58. If you find out the second largest number of this series, we have to use large function is equal to large, then round bracket, select the series or range, semicolon. If I want to find out the second large value of this series, just type second number, that is the second largest value, round bracket close. The second largest value of this series is 52. See, 23, 52, 58. Second largest value of this series is 52. Same way, to find out the smallest value, not a small value of the series, the small function returns the kth smallest numeric value found in the given set of values x. In our range 12, 9, 45, to find out the small, type small function, round bracket, select the range, then semicolon, and if I want to find out the second smallest value of this series, just type 2 and press enter key. So 45, 9 and 12. So in this series, the second smallest value is 12. Then for find out the next, that is maximum. For this, in our range, three values are that. From this or out of these three numbers, which number is maximum? To find out the maximum of the number from the range or from the series, we use maximum function. Type over here is equal to and type max, not maximum. Just type max, select the range, close round bracket. See, 74 is the maximum number. Same way, to find out the minimum number, we use minimum function. For find out the minimum function, just type min, round bracket, select the range, close round bracket. See, the minimum number from your numbers, that is 69, 53, 95 is 53. Now students, the next one is for calculating or calculation with money. So Kelsey also support the financial function to add the calculation with money. Suppose once your uncle comes to you and ask, see, beta, just tell me the using of your computer, how many years should it take me the pay to money I borrow from the bank, providing that I pay equal amount of money every time and interest rate is constant. So for this we use NPER function. See, NPER function to find out, first one is total amount of loan taken from the bank is 1 lakh interest rate is 7.50, and year total installment is 12,000. Clear? Now to find out NPER function, so type is equal to NPER, then round bracket, then select first one is V5, that is percentage. Our percentage 7.50 in our sheet is V5, then colon, then apply minus sign, V6 colon, and type V4. In V4 there is total loan taken, that is 1 lakh. In V4 round bracket close, press enter key. See, this is the result, means you have to pay the installment up to 13.5, means 13 and a half year. In this way you can find out time to repay the loan using NPR. Now the next one is condition, making decision. For this we use if condition. See, if condition. Clear? For the if condition, I am taking the student of Mita and she got 77 marks in the test. To find out the grade or first class, second class, or third class, or fail. So for that we find out if condition. Over here I am taking if C. In the formula bar, the first one or 77 marks is in W5. So first of all type if condition. If is equal to if, then round bracket, W5 is the 77 marks, reference address cell, greater than or equal to 60. If the student score more than 60 marks or equal to 60 marks, he or she get first class. Second if condition, same way, W5 for the same cell, greater than or equal to 55, he or she gets second class. Same way, semicolon, if W5 is greater than or equal to 40, semicolon, that is third, and last one less than 40, the students be fail. After that, how many if condition we apply? 1, 2 and 3 conditions. So close the 3 round bracket at the end of the function and press enter key. See, this is the Mita got 77 marks. So 77 marks is included after 60. So Mita got first class. Now if we change, if I am taking the number 52, see, automatically third class is display on the screen. If I am taking the value 10, okay, 10 in our condition, 10 is fail, so fail will be displayed on the screen with the help of if condition. I again taken over here 77. Now the next statistical function is, or relational operator is, equal, less, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, or different from. Okay, equal to sign, the symbol is equal to, less than, this is the greater than sign, this is the less than or equal to sign, this is the greater than or equal to sign, and this is differ from. The combination of less than and greater than is known as differ from. Now first logical is, the logical operators are and or not. Over here I am taking the value 6 in cell X4, and same way in X5 I am taking the same value Clear? And I am applying the first is equal to not, then in round bracket our 6 cell is in x4 and second 6 number is in, that is differ from, see, this is the differ from sign. Both operands are not equal. The first operand is not equal to the second. For example, if I take over here x5, then round bracket close, the result became true. See, is equal to not, then in round bracket 6 differ from 6, return true according to this condition. Now same way for another one, I am taking is equal to sign, is equal to not, then in round bracket y4 is equal to y4, y5. In both cells the number is 1 and press enter key. See, the answer is false. Clear? You can get the first logical not. Then we take true and over here that is false. If is equal to not 6 is differ from 6, return trues, and is equal to not 1 is equal to 1 returns false. Say students, differ from, both the operands are not equal. The first operand is not equal to the second one, so we over here take this, and is differ, that is different from the other one. Now student, the next one is AND operator. Over here I am taking 12, 12 and 6. 3 numbers are there. Okay, in that case I am taking over here the AND function is equal to A and D, then round bracket 12 is in Z4 is equal to Z4 semicolon Z4 equal to, over here I am taking Z4 is equal to Z5 and Z4 is equal to Z6. Okay, then after that just type enter key, you got the false. 12 is equal to 12, but 12 is not equal to 6 according to this condition, so our answer is false. Clear? Now the next function, string function. Okay, string function. The first string function is concatenate. Concatenate is useful for joining the characters or words. Over here I am taking in AA cell and fourth cell AA4 ice and AA5 cream. If you want to join these two words ice cream, we use concatenate. So over here type concatenate, concatenate, round bracket and type ice, that is in which cell, AA4 semicolon, cream is in AA5, round bracket close. See, the ice cream, the word ice cream is the AA5 6, the combination of ice and cream with the help of concatenate. Then next one is lower. lower function. To uppercase to lowercase, we used lower function. So here just type is equal to lower round bracket, school is in which cell, AB 4 round bracket close. See, the school is converted into small letters. Capital school is converted into small letter. Then next one is upper. So upper function is useful for converting the lowercase into uppercase. So for this, type is equal to type upper function round bracket, select the cell that is in AC4 and just press enter key. So the word VBV is converted into VBV in uppercase. Clear? Now student, the next one is Roman. To convert the number into Roman or simple number is converted into Roman, we have to use Roman function. So over here I am taking the number as 12. Then type is equal to and just type ROMAN round bracket start, select the number cell, round bracket close and press enter key. See, this is the Roman number for 12. Same way, if you type 8 and press enter key, automatically the 8 will be displayed on the screen. Same way, number 10. So X is displayed, the number 10 in Roman is X, that will be displayed on the screen. Now after the Roman, the next function is trim. This function removes the extra space from the string. That is, if you want to write trim, I then space, then my, then space school. If you want to remove the space from the word, we use trim function. So over here just type is equal to, then type trim round bracket start, select the cell, round bracket close. See, extra spacing will be deleted with the help of this trim function. Now exit function compare the two string. If 1, it returns 1 if they are exactly the same, or 0 if they are not. Clear? In our example, see the two words blue, both are same. So type the function exit, exit exit, then type or select the first, then semicolon, select the second, round bracket close and press enter key. See the true, it becomes true. Clear? Then the next one is left. There are two functions in Kelsey, for the left side substring and another is right side substring. So for that, if you want to find out the, for example, the general form of left, then text, then you have to select the number. That means that is to extract first 4 left characters from the string, we have to use left function. See, in our example, type is equal to left, then in round bracket, clear, then select the cell, comma, semicolon and just press 4, round bracket close. See, the first 4 characters be RAM and it also includes the space. Clear? Students, the next function is write. So over here the text that the display in your cell is Ram Darshan Bhai Patel. From the right hand side, if you want to get the characters, we use write function is equal to RIGHT round bracket and select cell address semicolon and type again 4. From the right hand side, it displays the 4 characters. See PATEL. So ATEL be display on the screen. Then mid function. This is to extract the middle name from the arguments given in the function. We need to write function as is equal to mid Ram Darshan Bhai Patel from character 5 to character 13, which returns that Dashrath Bhai. So in our case, same way, over here just type MID mid, then select the cell address semicolon 5 semicolon and 13, between 5 to 13. If we take this one, see over here, if we take from middle 5 to 13 characters, that is Darshan by P. So there are 5 to 13 characters are included with the help of middle function. Now the next one is length. The length function returns the length of the given string. In our case, just type is equal to len round bracket, select the cell address, round bracket close. See, there are 21 characters including space be display on the screen. Now students, the next function is time and date function. Clear? So the first function is today. So here to display the today date, so over here just type TODAY round bracket start round bracket close. See, that is 21/12/20. That is the today's date. Then same way, if you want to display the particular date, same way is equal to type date round bracket start, and if you want to select any date, over here just I am write down round bracket, then for example 12/2012 semicolon 12 semicolon 12 12/12/2012 to display the date 12/12/2012. That means we have to select date function in this way. Now the next function is day. So to display the day function is used to convert the date given into any recognizable format into a day of the month. For example, today date is, for example, in this book 11th July 2013. Then they type day and today, it return 11th day of the month. Same way over here is equal to day, then type today, press enter key, then 21 be displayed on the screen. That is the 21st day of the month. Then after that, weekday. The weekday function is used to convert the valid date given into the date of week. For example, over here the weekday is equal to weekday, then type date, then type 2013 semicolon 07 semicolon 11, round bracket close, round bracket close. The answer is 5. So here in this case it will return 5th weekday. Clear? The next one is month. The month function is used to convert the valid date into the month of number. So in our case, according to this function is equal to month, then round bracket, date, then again round bracket, 2013 semicolon 07 semicolon 11, then round bracket start, round bracket close. See, that is the 7th month, that is July of the year 2013. So it will return as 7. The next function is year. So for the year function is used to convert the valid date into the year number. So for example, just write over here is equal to year, round bracket, then date, round bracket, 2013 semicolon 07 semicolon 11, round bracket start, round bracket close. See, the year 13 will be displayed on the screen. Then the number of days in a year. So number of days in a year, so again type is equal to days in year, round bracket start, date, again round bracket start, 2013 semicolon 07 semicolon 11. Then now press enter key twice, enter key once time, then the number of days will be displayed on the screen, 365. Now the next function is difference between two dates. So for that, the days function calculate the number of days between two dates. Note the name of the function is days instead of day. Earlier the day function returns a day number of months. The day function provides the number of days between two valid dates. In this situation, for finding out the difference between two dates, type is equal to days, then type date. The date is 2012 semicolon 07 semicolon 11, round bracket close, then again semicolon, again type date, then type the date, second date 2013 semicolon 07 semicolon 11, then round bracket start, round bracket close. See, the date is between two days is 365 because here the first one is 2012 and second one is 2013. So here the answer is minus 365 days. In this way, students, you can find out the number of between two dates